Path to predictive maintenance. RandomTrees, the leader in machine health analytics, offers a comprehensive path to predictive maintenance, helping factories minimize operational disruptions, reduce maintenance costs, and ensure workplace safety. IoT Analytics Architecture. RandomTrees brings the know-how and architecture to process high-volume streaming data from IoT devices for real-time analytics, essential for understanding machine health. Conversational AI. We enable shop floor personnel with conversational AI so they can understand complex data with natural language-based queries and quickly retrieve important information from operating manuals. Root cause analytics. RandomTrees expert SMEs bring the expertise to understand the IoT data, perform anomaly detection, time series and correlation analysis to narrow failure root causes. Start your journey towards predictive maintenance with RandomTrees. Contact us today to transform your maintenance strategy with cutting-edge AI and IoT solutions.